Welcome you all. Today we will learn about few important instruments and their use in pharmacy. First one is Anderson apparatus. It is used to determine the particle size by gravity sedimentation method. Next is pycnometer. It is used to determine specific gravity as well as density. Next is Oswald viscometer. It is used to determine viscosity. Next is Roche friablator. It is used to determine friability of tablets. Micrometer is used to determine crown thickness of tablets. Coulter counter is used to determine particle volume. Rotosort is used for sorting out of filled and unfilled capsule. Rotofill is used for filling of pellets into capsule. Acofill is used for filling of powders into capsule. Qualisil is used to fill liquid into capsule. Dilatometry is used to determine solid fat index of suppository base. Brownies tube is used as chemical indicator in heat process, that is dry heat sterilization as well as moist heat sterilization, and in this case color changes from red to green. Hydrometer is used to determine density. Hygrometer is used to determine humidity. Pressure gauge is used to determine vapor pressure. Tag open cup apparatus is used to determine flash point of aerosols. Karl Fischer titrator is used to determine moisture content. Rotational viscometer is used to determine stability of foam. Cascade impactor is used to determine particle size of aerosols. Light scattering decay is used to determine particle size of aerosols. Monsanto hardness tester is used to determine tablet hardness. Stronkov hardness tester is used to determine tablet hardness. Pfizer hardness tester is used to determine tablet hardness. Schullinger tablet hardness tester is used to determine tablet hardness. Eroica is used to determine tablet hardness. De ring is used to determine surface tension. Osmometer is used to determine osmotic strength of solution. Dissolution apparatus is used to determine drug release from the tablet dosage form. Disintegrating apparatus is used to determine the disintegration time of tablet or capsule. Franz diffusion cell is used to determine drug permeation study. Penetrometer is used to determine consistency and hardness of relatively rigid substances. Hansen's paddle equipment is used to determine dissolutions of granules and tablets. Thank you for watching.